So before we got together with Stack Digital and Matt, we lacked the systems and the marketing know-how to implement into our fitness business. So we offer group training and we deliver a really good product, but not many people know about us. And so we got in touch with Matt, and him and his CRM system and his methods have really helped us out. We've Our ads have been open for less than a week, and we already have 16 leads. We've got 12 of them already booked in for a trial, which is awesome. It's more than what we've ever had in that shorter time. I'm the kind of guy that reviews products, so for me it was a bit hasty, but I'm not going to lie, it was. Um, After I had my initial consultation with him and I navigated his system and how easy it is to use and how much it just takes all of that out of your hands, it's incredible. There's automated messaging, there's automated emails that makes your life just a little bit easier. The app also connects with your phone so you can stay in contact. I've been super impressed by the communication that I've had with Matt. He's on the ball. He keeps coming back to me with all the feedback that I need. He answers all my questions when I need. And you should be investing in this man and his system if you're looking to increase your leads to your business, especially if you're the types of coach that's hands-on. And if you're looking for a system that takes a big chunk of marketing and sales out off your hands.